Welcome to the Bell Training Academy. I'm Sam Nelson, the General Manager, and I definitely have the best job at Bell. And why is that? Because this is the only place here in Fort Worth where we get to interface every day with those that fly and maintain our products. Our mission at the Training Academy is to provide direct customer support to commercial business by training pilot and technicians using state-of-the-art technology, training devices, and world-class instructors. And we're absolutely committed to that mission. And you can tell that immediately by the facility that I'm standing in. 100,000 square feet, state-of-the-art, containing simulators, maintenance training devices, classrooms, but the only way to really understand and really recognize the value of the Training Academy is to experience it firsthand. I ask each and every one of you and challenge you to come here for that experience. I look forward to meeting you.